There's problem. All right, guys. So this is day six. So today is day six. I'm falling behind with my plan, and it's just weird, but it's happening. Um, yeah, I'm falling behind with my plan, and I feel I still have a lot to catch up on though, because today I was able to just do like 30 minutes, and I already had like backlog from yesterday. So I'm like, who knows? Dang, that's scary. It's like, wait. Yesterday I had, by the end of yesterday, I had a backlog of 1.5 hours. Added to today's 1.5 hours, which is 3 hours. And I was able to do only 30 minutes. So that's 2.5 hours. So tomorrow, 4 hours. I mean, we're going to see how that would work, but um, yeah, let me just go straight into today's learning. So today I learned, I was reminded of I think yesterday I started talking about the box model, right? Um, and yesterday I think we can do some kind of screen sharing. Let me see how that would work. Um, yep, I can. Let me see. I can literally do it here, like just create an account. Um, yeah, so I can try to share my screen today. Um, yeah, I think you should be able to see my screen. Let me see how that would look. Oh, I cannot really see it. I'm seeing if I can go full screen. Or maybe we'll just figure this out tomorrow. Yeah, but we're making progress. We're making progress little by little. So today I was learning about the, many more styling in CSS. Um, but let me start with the different kinds of box model that we have in web development. So the first one, the kind of block we have is called, sorry, the kind of box model we have is block. So that means, what that means is elements that are block level elements, when you put them on the page, they fill the whole width of their parent element and basically start a new line. So when you add the next element, instead of the next element to sit side by side them, they go under them. So that's a block element. Contrary to a block element, exists an inline element. So what's an inline? Yeah, an inline element. So what it does is it is just the opposite of the block element. You put the inline element on the page, the next element you put is going to be side by side that inline element. So I'll give examples of block elements. So block elements are like the body tag, the paragraph tag, the list tag, aside, section, article. I don't think that there's a tag that is called um, I think there's a tag that is called, let me see, main, the main tag. That's interesting. The main tag. Give me a minute. Let me see something. I want to see this.
Why are they filling liquid?
I want to see this stream on my phone. I want to see how something showed up as. Uh, give me a minute. I think I shared this with somebody. All right. Yeah. Yeah. What that means. Let me see how that would look. Okay, yeah, I've seen what I want to see. Yeah, we're going to see how that's going to work. But oh, it shows that one person is on my life. I don't want to do that. I don't want to like hack it. Let me for now. For now. All right, so we are back to our stuff. So the third one is an inline block. So think of inline block as um the the it's taking the best of both worlds. So both the block element and the inline element. Inline block is taking the best of both worlds to exist. So I'll go back to an inline. I'm sorry, it's a little bit scattered today, but like going back to an inline element has the characteristic of not being. It doesn't respond to like the height and the width of a. It doesn't respond to the height and the width of like CSS. And even when you want to add padding, it only adds padding and margins on the horizontal axis. So left and right sides, not top and bottom. So that's how it behaves. And if it wants to, if it doesn't want to, wait, what am I saying? I think it doesn't add padding and margin to the left and right axis. Fine. So for an inline block takes the characteristic of the block element, meaning that you can add height and width, and you can add padding and margin on all sides. But it also still acts as though it's just inline, so it's not going to form. It's not going to. It's not going to like fill the hole in your eyes. It's still going to. It's still going to be taking the space that it needs. Do you see it now? It's not going to like um visually fill the whole page. I hope I'm not mixing this in up. This is sad. I should be able to like practicalize with what that would look um like right here on my code pen. But it's fine, it's fine. So that's what I learned today. And some inline elements are images, the strong tag, emphasis tag, button tag, and things like that. So I'll try my best to catch up so that I'm not lagging behind like real bad. It's not good, right? But I'll try my best to catch up so that we are all on the same page. So this is day 6. Tomorrow is day 7, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.